Alright, good morning po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan. Ngayon po ay araw ng Lunes, September 11, 2023. Ito pong The Christian Coalition Movement o CCM ay hayag po ng statement of support para sa MTRCB at para kay MTRCB Chairperson Lala Soto. Ito babasahin ko yung kanilang statement of support. The Christian Coalition Movement, CCM, would like to express its high respect and full support to the MTRCB in its resolution to lay down a 12-day suspension to the It's Showtime for violations of the rules of decent, moral, and good public program in its July 25, 2023 segment. The language and behavior displayed by host Vice Ganda, licking icing of his co-host and partner Ion Perez's fingers at the July 25, 2023 segment created images or impressions which were sensual, obscene, and morally offensive that should be restricted to private, adult, and regulated viewing. It goes against the rules on the general patronage where the young children will be exposed and persuaded that it's unacceptable Filipino values and norms. The nation is now reeling from huge economic problems and public issues such as rising food prices, daily traffic congestion, drug addiction, street violence, child abuse, teenage crimes, and even real threats to the security of our islands and seas, among others. To see indecent, immoral, and unwholesome shows on live television add up to the woes and concerns of our Filipino families. The producers and hosts of It's Showtime cannot shield their infractions under the guise of freedom of speech. In this jurisdiction, it is settled that the freedom of speech is not absolute, and the burden of overthrowing the presumption of invalidity rests on the one restraining or censoring the same in accordance with applicable laws. We submit that MTRCB has exercised sound discretion and has observed the law, jurisprudence, and rules on due process in issuing the said resolution. At parte ng kanilang statement, pinakita nila kung ano yung presidential decree number, pati na rin yung mga sections na nilabag ng programang It's Showtime. Hindi na po natin babasahin yun para mabilis. As an instrument of the state, the MTRCB is mandated to promote and uphold the high standards and Filipino good values, customs, and principles, and regulate television programs and movies shows in order to promote the general welfare and best interests of the Filipino people. No doubt the MTRCB acted on its mandate in issuing the said board resolution. We also take time to laud the decision of MTRCB Chairperson Lala Soto, who acted wisely, bravely, and independently in respect to the assailed the deliberations of the MTRCB Board and issuance of the said resolution. Contrary to the public opinion and bashing of netizens, Chairperson Soto had no hand or indirect influence in the discussion and outcome of the board meeting. Out of delicadeza, prudence, and knowing her family and political limitations, she voluntarily took that inhibition to avoid conflict of interest. The good public servant she is, she rescued herself from the board deliberations. There is no factual or legal basis for the public to defame, malign, or call for her resignation since it was the MTRCB board on a consensus acted collegially to adopt and implement the said suspension order. The said resolution of a government agency enjoys the presumption of regularity and validity under Philippine laws and jurisprudence. Besides, if the producer and host of It's Showtime have any grounds to assail the MTRCB resolution, then they can do so at the proper forum under the regular administrative procedures. They can file an appeal to the Office of the President, and if still dissatisfied, they can raise the matter to the Supreme Court. Okay? At nagbigay sila ng Bible verse We at CCM earnestly believe that the MPRCB and MTRCB Chairperson Lala Soto acted on the merits with grace, wisdom, and sound discretion in ordering the 12-day suspension of each showtime for its July 25, 2023 segment that ran afoul of Philippine laws and policies and standard Filipino moral values and principles. In this time and age, we need more public officials like Chairperson Lala Soto to be a model of probity, independence, and prudence, and to head our government agencies in the discharge of its constitutional and lawful mandates. This is the hour and opportunity for the Filipino people to have sterling leaders who, without fear or favor, can decide and stand for the truth, justice, goodness, and uphold Filipino values, customs, and public policies that will contribute to genuine progress and national building that we all deserve. Ayan po yung nilabas na statement ng Christian Coalition Movement. Full support sila sa ginawang resolution ng MTRCB sa pamumuno ni MTRCB Chairperson Lala Soto. At sabi nila na hindi magandang halimbawa etong ginawa ng magjowang si Vice Ganda at Ion Perez sa kanilang programa. At para sa kanila, tama lang yung naging desisyon ng board para suspindihin itong It's Showtime. At walang legal na basihan itong panawagan ng publiko na mag-resign itong si MTRCB Chairperson Lala Soto. Ngayon, kung meron kayong reklamo sa inilabas na desisyon ng board ng MTRCB, pwede kayong lumapit sa Office of the President. At pagkatapos naman, kung hindi nyo nagustuhan yung desisyon ng Office of the President, lumapit kayo sa Supreme Court. Kasi, eto mga kababayan, gusto ko na rin ibahagi sa inyo, kung tatanungin ninyo ang Office of the President, mismo, etong si Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile ay nagsalita ng kanyang objection dito kay Vice Ganda sa gitna ng kontrobersiya with Movie and Television Review and Classification Board o MTRCB. Sabi ni ito mismo na galing kay Enrile, Chief Presidential Legal Counsel. Parang ito nirerepresenta na niya ang Office of the President. Sabi niya, ang problema kasi sa bansa natin, kapag meron kang kapangyarihan, political, social o economic o whatever, hindi mo na iniisip yung kapwa. Yung binigay na katangian mo sa iyong lipunan ay hindi mo na tinitingnan ng kakulangan ng iba. Sarili mo lang ang iniisip mo. Akala mo maganda yung ginagawa mo, super bastos ka. Bastos kang tao. Yan yung sabi mismo ni Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile dito kay Meme Vice. Sabi ng iba, wag na raw tawaging Vice Ganda kasi hindi naman daw maganda. So Meme Vice na lang. O kaya Tameme Vice. Kaya sabi niya, mismong si Enrile mismo nagsabi ng gano'n na bastos etong si Vice Ganda. Hindi lang walang decency, kundi abusado. Alam ko na mapagpataway ang binabanggit mo na babae, so tinutukoy nga itong si Tameme Vice. Magmula pa ng araw, ganyan na yan. You're earning your living and popularity sa kabastusan. Yan yung sabi mismo ni Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile patungkol dito kay Tameme Vice. So, mukhang mabigat-bigat itong kaharapin ng It's Showtime. Dahil dito sa kabastusang ginawa nitong magjowa, itong si Tameme Vice kasi itong Ion Perez, mukhang mahihirapan sila kasi dadaan sila Kung sakaling hindi nila nagustuhan itong 12-day suspension, mag-apila sila sa Office of the President. Pero mismo itong Office of the President, itong representative, si Juan Ponce Enrile, etong mismong kanilang Chief Presidential Legal Counsel hindi sumasang-ayon sa ginawa at ginagawa ni Tameme Vice. So malamang, ewan ko lang kung paabutin pa nila ito sa Supreme Court. Pero wala po kasi. Kung mapapanood niyo itong It's Showtime, imbis na sila ay lumapit sa MPRCB, makipag-usap, makipag-dialogue, ang ginagawa nila ngayon, puro patama, puro parinig sa MPRCB. So, imbis na sila ay mapagbigyan at pag-usapan yung issue, mas lalo nilang pinalalala ang sitwasyon. At tuwan-tuwa naman yung kanilang mga panatiko kapag ganun ang ginagawa ni Vice dyan sa kanilang programa. So ayan mga kababayan, yung ating update pagdating dito sa MPRCB versus It's Showtime sa kanilang suspension. Nagsalita na mismo itong si Juan Ponce Enrile, itong Presidential Legal Counsel, at sinabing bastos at nabubuhay at kumikita sa kabastusan etong si Vice Ganda. Kaya abangan po natin kung ano magiging sagot nito ni Tameme Vice. Malamang maggaganyan na naman yan eh. Alam nyo naman ang pag-uugali nito.